Good morning, my dear students. So today we do our next exercise number 5.2 of your chapter 5th arithmetic progressions. So let us see with the first question. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and A the nth term of AP. So you can see here this table is given here in which there are four columns. The first column is of A. It is the first term. Second column is of D, that is common difference. Third column is for N, and the last column is for A. So you can see here in this first part, A is given, D and N is given. So you have to find the value of nth term, and nth term is here 8. It means you will find the value of 8th term. Clear? So similarly, in second part, D is missing here. In third one, A, and so on. So let us start with the first part. So in first part, A is what? 7. So right here A is 7. D is common difference, which is 3. And N is how much? N is here 8. So you have to find AN. AN means you will find A8. 8th term. Now the formula to find the nth term of AP is A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1. So value of N is here 8. So write down 8 minus 1 into D. Now what is A? A is 7. 8 minus 1 is again 7 into D. D is the common difference. How much? It is 3. Now 7 3s are 21 and 21 plus 7 is 28. It means the value for 8th term is 28. So write here 28. Now see the second part. In second part, the value of A is how much? Minus 18. The first term is minus 18. D is missing here. It means you will find here D. And the nth term is 10. And AN is 0. AN is 0 means the value for 10th term is 0 है. ठीक है? यहाँ पर n की वैल्यू 10 है और AN की 0 है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर 10th term की वैल्यू 0 है. You can write here A10 is equal to 0. So now the formula for AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Now what is AN? AN is how much? AN is 0 here. Now A is how much? Minus 18 plus N minus 1. N is 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into D. Alright, now take this minus 18 on this left side. So the sign will change. It is 18 is equal to 9 into D is 90. Now this 9 will divide it when I take on the left side. 18 by 9 is 2. So D is how much? D is 2. So the value of common difference is 2 here. So right here 2. Now see the next third part. In third part, you can see here A is missing. It means you will find here first term. A is missing here. D is common difference, which is minus 3. Next, N is 18. N is 18. And the value for AN is minus 5. It means value of 18th term is minus 5. 18th term. ठीक है? अगर N की वैल्यू 18 है और AN गिवन है, इसका मतलब 18th टर्म की वैल्यू भी -5 है. Alright, you can write here A18 is equal to -5. Now find the first term. So first put the formula for A18. So A18 is how much? A plus N minus 1 into D. N minus 1. So N is here 18 and 18 minus 1 is 17. You can write here A plus 17D is equal to -5. Now we can find here A 17D. The value of D is here -3. So 17 into -3 is equal to -5. Now see here A plus plus minus. So change the sign here. 17 3s are 51 is equal to -1. Now you can take this -51 on the other side. It is how much? -5 and -51 is +51. So minus plus minus and 51 minus 5 is 46. It means the value for first term is 46. Now see the next fourth part. So in fourth part, A is minus 18.9. Now the values are given in decimal. A is minus 18.9. D is common difference, it is 2.5. And next, N is missing here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमने N टर्म की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. N मतलब N फाइंड करना है, N टर्म. So and AN is 3.6. It means value of AN term is 3.6. You can find here N. मतलब कौन सी टर्म की वैल्यू 3.6 होगी. ठीक है, आपने यहाँ पर N फाइंड करना है. So now AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Its value is how much? 3.6. Now what is A? A is minus 18.9 plus N minus 1. So N is missing. D is 2.5 is equal to 3.6. Now first take this minus 18.9 on right side. So this sign will become changed. It is plus. Now 18.9 plus 3.6. 18.9 plus 3.6. It is 9 plus 15. 1 carry. 4 plus 8, 12. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Divided by how much? 2.5. ठीक है, अगर 2.5 is n minus 1 के साथ क्या है? मल्टीप्लाई है. तो इसको आप राइट साइड जाकर डिवाइड करोगे. Now 22.5 over 2.5. It is 9. And what is n? N is 9 plus 1. It is how much? 10. So the value for n is 10. Now see the last fifth part. So in the fifth part, what is given here? A is 3.5, D is 0 and n is 105. So you will find here a n. Means you will find the which term? 105th term. So next write here A 3.5, D is 0 and n is 105. Now you will find here 105th term. So the formula for A 105 is A plus n minus 1 into D. N is here 105 and 105 minus 1 is 104 into D. Now what is A? A is 3.5 into 104 into D. D is here 0. Now 0 into something is, we know that it is 0. So 0 plus 3.5 is 3.5. It means the value for A105 is 3.5. So write here 3.5. Now this is the first question of exercise 5.2. Thank you.